Hello everyone and welcome to Lisa B. This is day 3 of the 7-day ab challenge. Today it is all about the upper abs. So all about these upper abs. That's kind of where you feel a little bit of a burn actually. So 10 minutes, 5 exercises, twice through, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. So we're going to go into the 100. So let's lie down. Lift one leg at a time. Lift the head and shoulders using those upper abs and pulse. Inhale for 5 breaths. And exhale for 5 breaths. Good, keep pulling the belly in. Lifting those shoulders off the mat. So imagine curling the chest up. So curling kind of like the breastbone towards the thighs. Keep those arms nice and strong. Lift the shoulders a little bit higher, 10 seconds left. Three seconds. And next exercise is single leg sit-ups. So remember, use your abs, try not to use momentum. So I'm going to straighten the legs. So lift as the right leg comes into tabletop and down. We're going to keep doing the right side. Inhale lower, exhale up. Twenty seconds. 5 seconds. Oh, that was a bit of a killer. Other side. So left leg comes in. And remember, you can modify. So you might just come up like that and lift your shoulders. You might be able to come all the way up. Just go at your own level. Go a little bit faster if you want a little bit more cardio and a little bit of a calorie burn. You can rest your head down in between. I kind of don't really like doing that though. I think it just puts that little bit more, too much pressure on the neck. And if you get any neck pain, you can modify this still by just bringing the leg in and extending, and don't let the foot touch the mat at all. Still holding your abs in. 10 seconds. And done. So now, oh, my cough. So bring your arms out to the side. So X cross sit-ups. So turn your palms down. Take the legs as wide as the mat. So lift, reach for the toe, other side. So I'm using my arm down on the floor to come up. Exhale as you lift. Keep going. One more exercise and we're once through. 10 seconds left. And done. And then we've got full sit-ups with a punch. That's our last one of this circuit. Then we've just got to repeat it. So bend your knees, come up, little punch either side, roll back. And alternate. 1, 2, roll back. 1, 2. Keep going. Less than 20 seconds. Think how good you will feel when you complete this workout. 10 seconds. I'm going to go wild after I finish, and I'm going to have some Brazil nuts. Oh my God, I'm too wild, I know. Right, back to the start, 100. 5 more minutes, then we are done. Day 3 will be done. So you can keep your feet down and lift, or you can lift one leg, or you can lift both legs. Pulse in the arms. Inhale for 5 pulses. Exhale for 5 pulses. Remember, no flappy wrists. Keep the wrists nice and firm. Imagine curling up from the breastbone and up, so you're trying to touch your shoulders towards your thighs. Keep looking at the legs as well. Don't look at the ceiling, because that will put a lot of strain on your neck. 15 seconds. Done. And then we've got single leg sit-ups. So I'll show you the modification first. Head is going to stay down for this modification. We'll do the right side. So into tabletop, straighten it out. Don't let it touch the floor. Tabletop and straighten. Lower back into the mat, or coming up. Come up to meet that knee. Don't let the foot touch the floor. All the right side. Or I might, with my Brazil nuts, I might even have a coffee. Oh my goodness. But it is quite a nice hot sunny day here today. So I might go maybe sit in the garden. 6 seconds. And done. Left side. Oh, something in my eye. So the modification, pull the belly in, get ready, into tabletop, straighten it out, hover it off the floor, into tabletop, straighten it out, shoulders relaxed, belly in, or come up. Seconds. And done. X cross sit up is next, so arms out to the side, palms down. Take the legs as wide as the mat and lift. Try and touch the ankle. Let me know, comment below, let me know what you're thinking about this 7-day ab challenge so far. Let me know if you're enjoying it. Let me know if you want more of these little week-long routines just to keep you motivated. 14 seconds, and then we've just got one more exercise. That's how I feel. Oh. Okay, next one is full sit-up with punch. Full sit-up. Let's get enthusiastic. Last exercise. So, come up, punch across. So rotate, change sides. "30 seconds left of the whole workout and you are done for today." Come on, let's go for it. Last 15 seconds. seconds, keep going. Oh, and that ain't no joke. I'm telling you, that ain't no joke. Oh, thank you so much for joining me. That was upper abs, day 3, done and dusted. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Lisa B, over and out. Sending you a love.